In this video I'm going to show you how to play Lotus Flower by Helen Sanderson, taken from the Trinity Classical Guitar Exam Grade 1. As always, I'm going to play the piece in two different tempos, one at speed at 90 BPM and also a slow version for you to practice along. I'm also going to give you some tips, and there is a fun fact at the end of this video, so be sure to stick around. My name is Winnie from Neuzugang, where we're all about learning and well-being. And here's Lotus Flower at 90 beats per minute, its original tempo. Here we go. Here's a slowed down version at 60 BPM. Here we go. 2, 3, 4. Tip number 1. Keep your right hand, your picking hand, nice and loose, and use free stroke rather than rest stroke. What that means is, when you pluck a note, don't rest your finger on the next string, but pluck it more like this. Do that with all the other strings as well. Tip number 2, again for the right hand, be really sure that you use the correct fingers. The fingers are indicated by the I, M and A. You probably know that already. I is the index finger, M is the middle finger, and A is the ring finger. Really be 100% sure that you use the right fingers. Lotus seeds can survive thousands of years and even revive after long periods of dormancy. Let me know how you get on in the comments. If you have any questions, drop them down there, I'm answering them. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and enjoy yourself. Have fun playing guitar, because it's cool. Playing the guitar is fun.